Number 2. Reolink RLK16 Looking for the best 4K security camera systems for your sprawling estate? Look no further. Reolink has got you covered with their top-notch 4K Ultra HD PoE camera system. It's like having your own personal security squad that never sleeps. With 4K resolution, you'll be blown away by the clarity and detail even when you zoom in. Say goodbye to blurry footage and hello to crystal clear views of every nook and cranny of your property. Not only that, these smart cameras are also smart enough to distinguish between people and vehicles, so you won't be bothered by false alarms caused by curious critters or fleeting shadows. And the best part? You can access all your cameras remotely using the handy Reolink app. Whether you're lounging by the pool or halfway around the world, you can keep an eye on your kingdom with just a tap on your smartphone. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play PoE system. Just one network cable and you're good to go. No need to hire a team of tech wizards to set it up. With continuous 24/7 recording and motion-triggered options, you won't miss a beat of what's happening on your property. Plus, there's plenty of storage with the pre-installed 4 TB HDD, and you can even expand it up to a whopping 6 TB if you need to store a lifetime's worth of footage. So why settle for anything less than the best when it comes to securing your large property? Reolink's 4K security camera system is here to give you peace of mind, style, and a touch of James Bond-like sophistication. Don't just own a property, protect it like a boss. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.